Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Instacart prescription delivery. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So let me just make things clear. Without prescriptions, you won't be able to purchase from these stores. However, there is a way to go ahead and purchase things if you don't have any prescriptions as well. So for example, just go ahead and open your Instacart and click on pharmacy, and you can simply go ahead and select CVS or Walgreens, and this is where you can just go ahead and purchase anything that you want, right? However, in order for you to go ahead and get your prescription, you must first get a text alert from the participating pharmacy once your prescription is ready. So for example, here are the steps. I'll just go ahead and share it with you. Once your prescription is ready at a participating pharmacy like Wegmans or Walgreens, you'll receive a text message. The text will include the pickup location and a link to start the Instacart delivery order. So click the link in the text message to be taken to Instacart. From there, select the eligible prescriptions you want to have delivered, and you will then be redirected to Instacart's site to schedule your delivery. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.